Okay students, so today's our topic is expanded form. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में अपना न्यू टॉपिक स्टार्ट हो रहा है expanded form. What is expanded form students? A expanded form is a way to write a number by adding the value of its digits. एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में क्या होता है, हर डिजिट की वैल्यू ऐड कर करके लिखनी होती है। मतलब कि हमारे पास अगर कोई वैल्यू है तो हमने उसको वसी करना, उसको डिटेलिंग में करके लंबा करके लिखना होता है। एक्सपेंडेड मतलब किसी चीज़ को फैला कर लिखना। जैसे सपोज एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास 79, तो इसको हम एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? 79, ओके। बीच में प्लस की साइन लाजमी देनी है हमें। जस्ट सपोज अगर हमारे पास सेकंड वैल्यू आ रही है 56, हाउ वी विल राइट 50 एंड 6 कौन सी प्लेस पर है? वंस की तो आएगा 6, ओके। थोड़ा डिटेल में जाते हैं। 376, हाउ वी विल राइट इट स्टूडेंट्स? 376, ओके। 376 ये हमने किस में लिख लिया? एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में, ओके। अब हम 1000 तक वैल्यू में जाते हैं। जस्ट सपोज 7155। आपको याद होना चाहिए 100 के बाद हमेशा हम कॉमा लगाते हैं ताकि हमें 1000 की वैल्यू का पता चले। 7000, अब 7000 में कितने जीरो आते हैं आपको मालूम है? अगर ना मालूम हो तो आगे जितने भी डिजिट्स आ रहे हैं आप उतने जीरो लगाएंगे। सो कीप इट इन योर माइंड। अगर आप जीरो लगाना भूल जाते हैं कहीं भी तो आप डिजिट्स काउंट कर लिया करें। कितने आ रहे हैं नंबर्स? 1 2 3 1 2 3 7000 1, कितने जीरो आएंगे? 1 2 1 2, ओके। 50 tens and 5. This is the expanded form.
Hello children. Today we'll be doing another topic of the chapter Fun with Numbers. Expanded form. It is a very easy topic and students easily grasp it. So let's get started. So the first question that comes to our mind is that what is expanded form? Expanded form is a way of writing a number to show the value of each digit. It is shown as the sum of the place values of each digit. So let us quickly revise the concept of place value which we learnt in our last class. In the given number 7236, the place value of the digit 6 is 6 ones, the value of the digit 3 is 3 tens, the place value of the digit 2 is 2 hundreds, and the place value of the digit 7 is 7 thousands. If you remember, there is another way of writing the place values as shown in this slide. The place value of 6 can be written as simply the digit 6 because it is in ones place. The place value of 3 is written as 30. The place value of 2 is written as 200 as in 200. And place value of 7 is written as 7000 as in 7000. Now let us learn how we will write a number in its expanded form. We will use the same number for explanation. So as we already know, to write in the expanded form a number is shown as the sum of its place value. So the number being 7236, we will express it as the sum of its place values. So we will write 6 plus 30 plus 200 plus 7,000. And when we will write the number is in this form, it will be known as its expanded form. So we can write the expanded form of a number in two ways, which are shown in this slide. One is to write 7,000s plus 200s plus 3 tens plus 6 ones, and the other way of expressing this number in its expanded form is 7,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 6. Now let us take another example. This time we'll choose a simple 3-digit number, and the number is 267. To express it in its expanded form, we will simply write its place values and put addition sign in between them. So the place value of the digit 7 in this number is 7 ones. The place value of the digit 6 in this number is 6 tens or 60, and the place value of the digit 2 in this number is 200. So to show this number in the expanded form, we will simply write it as 200 plus 60 plus 7. Now let us revise the concept by taking a 4-digit number this time. Let the number be 7,278. If we want to express this number in its expanded form, we will simply write it as the sum of all its place values. So the place value of the digit 8 will be simply 8 because it is on the ones place. The place value of the digit 7, which is on the tens place, will be 70. The place value of the digit 2 will be 200 as it is on the hundreds place, and the place value of the digit 7 will be 7,000 as it is on the thousands place. Now let us take a little different number this time. 8,092. As you must have noticed, it has a 0 in its hundred place. So how we will express it in its expanded form? We will simply express it as the sum of its place values. So the digit 2 is in the ones place. So its place value will be 2 ones or simply 2. The digit 9 will have its place value as 9 tens or 90. Now let us come to the digit 0. As it is in the hundreds place, so its place value will be 0 hundreds or simply 0. And the place value of the digit 8 will be 8,000. So we can express it simply as 8,000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 2, or we can simplify it and write it as 8,000 plus 90 plus 2. Now let us take another example. The number is 4,004. To express it in its expanded form, we will write it as 4, which is in the ones place. So its place value is 4 ones or 4. Then the second digit 0, which is in the tens place, its place value will be 0 tens or simply 0. Then the third digit, which is again a 0, in the hundreds place, its place value will be 0 hundreds or simply 0 again. The digit in the fourth place, that is the number 4, will have its place value as 4,000. So the expanded form of this number will be simply 4,000 plus 4. I hope now you are clear about how to express a number in its expanded form. Happy learning!
Okay students, it's your textbook, page number 7, question number 1. write the following numbers in expanded form. As I told you, expanded form means we have to write the number in a very detailing. Okay, so there is a number you have to write in, like how you will write 3672. You have to write 3000 में कितने जीरो आएंगे, then sign of plus 600, then plus 70, then plus 20. ऐसे करके आपने ये एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म के पूरे क्वेश्चंस डन करने हैं, जो आपको अभी टीचर ने लेक्चर समझाया है बोर्ड पर, उसकी हेल्प के थ्रू।